Assalamu alaikum. Dil, Can, Pakistan. आपको Celal Al Abdurrahman Canip say Eid Mubarak. Eyvallah.
Kardeş ülkeden selamünaleyküm. I cannot thank you enough for the unimaginable love and incredible response you are giving to Ertuğrul Gazi Urdu by PTV. And also I would like to thank PTV for bringing Ertuğrul Gazi to you all. Aupsı komeri tarafse Eid Mubarak. Selam olsun brothers and sisters. Selam olsun Pakistan.
Me, Jolt, Pakistan, Aunga. Hi everyone, Javit here. You know me as Doğan from Ertuğrul. Pakistan is my second country, my second home because my friends say me. We are getting so much positive response and love from Pakistani people. Soon I will visit Pakistan and I'm gonna meet lovely people. Stay home, watch Ertuğrul.
Assalamu alaikum ve rahmetullah. Mere Pakistani Bayo Al Behno. Pakistan में diriliş Ertuğrul drame ko बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आने पर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है. मैं पाकिस्तानी वज़ीर आज़म जनाब इमरान खान का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ. Pak Türk dosti zindabat, cive cive Pakistan, cive cive Türkiye.
Hello Pakistan, my name is Ezgi Esma. You know me from Diriliş Ertuğrul as Banu Çiçek. I've been receiving a lot of hundreds of messages full of love and kindness and nice words from you. Thank you very much for it. It really touched my heart. When I think about Pakistan, I always think about a very colorful place and kind people, energetic, and I think it's a crowded country and I like crowded places. It's a bit like Turkey probably, and you know, as they say, it's two countries, one nation, so I think we're close. And after receiving all these messages, it made me think that Turks and Pakistanis are really similar to each other. I really want to come. I don't know when, probably when these traveling restrictions are a little lighter. I wanna come because there are a lot of things that I'm interested in. Pakistan, the culture, the history. Last but not least, I want to ask you. Right, are you ready? जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे? Thank you very much again. Thanks a lot and much love to Pakistan. Hope to see you soon. Ciao, bye bye.
Shukriya Pakistan.